Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. AI pioneer warns of civilization's existential threat. IBM wants to replace 8,000 jobs with AI. Experts warn of risks of AI in warfare. Now let's dive into the detail. AI pioneer warns of civilization's existential threat. Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI and winner of the 2018 ACM Turing Award, has spent 50 years building computer models that can learn like the human brain. Through his research, Hinton has concluded that we're approaching an existential threat to civilization, without anyone intentionally causing it. Hinton's work on deep learning neural networks has led him to believe that digital intelligence is superior to biological intelligence, warning that we may soon create something more intelligent than us, capable of learning from every book and manipulation tactic ever written. Hinton fears we are becoming complacent towards a potential threat, and urges us to take action before it's too late. IBM wants to replace 8,000 jobs with AI. IBM has announced plans to replace around 8,000 jobs in the Netherlands using AI technology. The first jobs to be replaced will be in IT support and development. IBM says that the move will allow employees to focus on higher value work. The company also aims to offer training and support to those whose jobs will be replaced. IBM has already been using AI to automate its own internal processes and improve efficiency. While the news may sound concerning, it's important to note that IBM is not simply cutting jobs. The company is investing in technology to improve its operations and provide more meaningful work for its employees. Experts warn of risks of AI in warfare. AI is changing the way we fight wars, but experts warn of its dangers. The use of autonomous weapons could lead to unintended consequences. International regulations and ethical guidelines are needed to govern the use of AI in warfare. The U.S. military must balance the benefits of AI with the potential risks it poses to national security and global stability. As we enter an age of rapid technological development, it's crucial that we consider the implications of AI in warfare. Stay tuned to learn more about how AI is changing the future of military operations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.